Scam. You've probably heard people calling Pi Network a scam, but today we're going to show the truth.
Pi Network started in 2019 with a mission to build a peer-to-peer digital currency accessible to everyone. Today, over 55 million people are actively mining Pi worldwide.
Claims. No mainnet after years. Sketchy. Too good to be true. Some people thought Pi Network might be a scam due to no mainnet yet, simple mining process, and no immediate exchange listings. But the truth is different.
The Pi Network was founded by Stanford graduates with a proven track record in tech and blockchain. Credibility starts at the top.
55 million people worldwide are actively mining Pi, proving that the network is real and trusted globally.
The Pi ecosystem is growing with real utility, marketplaces, payments, and apps. Transactions are happening today, not just promises.
Here's proof from real Pi users in the USA. Watch as they make purchases directly with Pi, showing the network is real and functional.
Another example from the USA, Pi being used for real transactions at local stores. This is proof that Pi works in the real world.
Let's recap. Credible founders, over 55 million users worldwide, and real transactions in action. The evidence is clear. Pi Network is real. Pi is growing every day, with users across the globe using it for real-world purchases. The network's impact is undeniable.
Stay informed, mine responsibly, and be part of the future. Don't miss out on being part of the Pi community.
From credible founders to millions of real users making transactions, Pi Network's proof is undeniable.
The Pi Network is real, growing, and trusted worldwide. Subscribe to Pi News World and be part of the journey.